Hello friends, in our last video we had discussed about MTech fees in IISc and IITs. Okay, so this is the second part of that video in which in first video we had discussed about only IISc, sorry friends, IISc and 7 IITs that are old IITs. In this video we will discuss about all 23 IITs except those institute that we had already discussed in video 1. Okay, so let's start with this video. The first IIT is IIT Ropar. Friends, in IIT Ropar you can see here that institute fee for SC/ST category and hostel mess fee. There are 3 categories for each semester, and for if you want to know about the first semester, then just add this and this for general OBC category and this for SC/ST category. Okay, so I think you will add these two and get the institute fee I have just shown you here. So let's move to the next institute, that is IIT Bhubaneswar. In IIT Bhubaneswar you can see here that everything is mentioned. You can just pause the video and see, but I'm discussing about total fee. So for general OBC category 53,759, for SC/ST category this is 48,759. Let's move to the next institute, that is IIT Hyderabad. In IIT Hyderabad there are 7 categories made. Okay, so for one-time fees means student fund and refundable fund, fee each semester, student welfare fund, something like that, and mess and mess establishing charge वगैरह वगैरह. Then you can see here 2100, 5,250, 10,500. Here again you can see that 1050, and after adding all these, you can just get the total fees of IIT Hyderabad. I think you will just pause the video and do this calculation. I have just shown you total fee. So let's move to the next institute, that is IIT Jodhpur. In IIT Jodhpur for a hosteler and for hosteler this is 42,000, and for non-hosteler day scholar this is 37,000. Okay, but something like trimester 1, trimester 2, trimester 3 is mentioned, and you can just go refer to the IIT Jodhpur website, but I have just shown you 42,000 and 37,000 fee. Okay, let's move to the next institute, that is IIT Patna. In IIT Patna there are several categories again mentioned, but we are going to discuss about a total fee. So for general OBC category this is 34,750, and this is for sponsored, and for SC/ST category student this is 24,750. So let's move to the next institute. Next institute is IIT Indore. In IIT Indore you can see here there is MTech category, and means after 2019 the fee will be 39,000. Okay, and 37,000 for SC/ST categories. Okay, and let's move to the next institute. Our next institute is IIT Mandi. In IIT Mandi you can see that everything again all categories are mentioned, but we are going to discuss about grand total. In grand total this is for 40,000 for general OBC categories and 29,500 for SC/ST categories. Let's move to the next institute, that is IIT BHU. In IIT BHU there is a huge mess in this, and we are just going to get the total fee. So in means amount payable at the time of admission, means total A, B, C and D. You can see here that for general OBC category this is 29,965, and for SC/ST category student 19,665. Let's move to the next institute. In next institute IIT Palakkad. Friends, in IIT Palakkad you can see that there is total amount payable, that is institute fee is 13,200. You can see that here institute fee. In institute fee the total amount payable will be 13,200, and in hostel charges the total payable amount will be 33,800. Means just summing up these two you can get total fee, okay, that you have to pay. So again, here is the summary. For general categories, add these two, and for SC/ST categories, as this, add these two, okay. Institute fee and hostel fee, just add them, and you will be getting the total fee of IIT Plucker that you need to pay at the time of admission. Now IIT Tirupati. In IIT Tirupati, again you can see that there are two categories highlighted. One is institute fee and second is hostel fee and mess charges per semester, okay. In institute fee, you can again see that there are two types of, there is total of B means 69,950, that is for SC/ST categories, and 14,459 for general OBC categories, because in SC/ST categories institute fee means tuition fees waived off, okay. For hostel fee, you here you can see that there are 7,500 mentioned, but friends, trust me, this is not the actual fee, because this was an online semester, and here also this is mentioned that this is because of online semester, this is 7,500, but you can expect that this will be something around 27,000, okay. Means add 20,000 in this. Let's move to the next institute, that is IIT Dhanbad. In IIT Dhanbad, you can see that total fee payable is mentioned here, and you can see again here 35,400 and 20,400, and here you can see in the blue color that mess charges will be 15,000 per semester extra, okay. So let's move to the next institute, that is IIT Bhilai. In IIT Bhilai, friends, you can again see that there are several categories mentioned, from category A to category E, but here we are going to see this. Sorry friends, let's come to the previous slide, okay. So in summary portion, you can see that continuing student has to pay 55,000, and for new student has to pay 69,000. And again you can have a look at each category, 7,000, 7,000, 6,000 and 23,000, okay. And if we are coming to the summary, okay, then in summary you can see that for continuing student this is 55,000, and for new student this is 69,000. Means all we are going to admit in this year, so we will be new student, and 69,000 will be the fee that we need to pay at the time of admission. Let's move to the next institute, that is IIT Jammu. In IIT Jammu, you can see that 51,150 including hostel fee is the for general OBC categories, and 33,650 for SC/ST categories. And in spite of that, we need to pay some hostel charges, no, not hostel charges but mess charges, and that will be 35,000. so add these two and you will get it, okay. Let's move to the next institute, in IIT Goa. Next institute is IIT Goa. And friends, let me tell you something, that all the institute that are new institute takes a very high charge, okay. And an institute that is old, then that will be taking something lower amount, okay. So this is the general pattern I have seen. And for here you can see that for regular concessional fee 7,600 and 7,600 for both, but this is one time fee. Again per semester 20,050 and 15,050, okay. This will be for general and OBC, and grand total of A, B, C and D will be 31,569 and 26,569. friends. Next institute IIT Dhanbad, but friends, let me tell you that I could not get the fee structure of IIT Dhanbad and IIT Gandhinagar on their website, so I have not mentioned. Friend, if you guys have any idea of MTech fees of these IIT, then just comment below, because most of the people will get it from comment section. So friends, thank you for watching with this video, and thank you for listening me. Thank you.